Hi, in this video I want to show you how to get started with using Swift Playgrounds in Cursor. So let's begin. Cursor has very nice AI coding and auto-completion features. It provides one of the best and interactive ways to learn a programming language. So to begin, you make sure you have Cursor installed by visiting cursor.com and downloading the app for free. I have it already installed, so I'm going to launch it. What we see here is an empty folder, so let's open it in Cursor. Using Swift Playgrounds in Cursor is the same as using it in Xcode. So first, you should go to Extensions and make sure you have the Swift Playgrounds extension installed. Let's search for that here. The extension is the first option we see here. You can see from the details view, I have it already installed. So let's close this and go back to the File Explorer. After installing the Swift Playgrounds extension, we need to set up a new Swift project. To set up a new Swift project, we should use Swift Package Manager. So let's press Ctrl and backtick to bring the integrated terminal and use Command+ to increase the font size. So what we should do now is to initialize a new Swift project with this command, Swift Package Init, followed by ---- type. Then we add executable and press enter. From the Files Explorer, you can see we now have package.swift from the command we just entered. We also have a .build directory, .vscode directory, and a source directory, which contains our main.swift file. So here we can enter any Swift code and run it directly with the integrated terminal in Cursor. Let's, for example, create a constant here. One great thing about using Swift Playgrounds in Cursor is that you can benefit from its AI coding and auto-completion features. So let's press the Tab key to auto-complete everything. We don't need these many constants, but I just want to show you the auto-completion feature. So instead of printing hello world here, let's print one of the constants, for example cat. To run the main.swift file, we can go to the integrated terminal and use the command swift run and press enter. You can now see over here the build was successful, and we have the output as the cat emoji. That is everything you need to do to start using Swift Playgrounds directly in Cursor in order to benefit from its intuitive AI coding and auto-completion features. Thanks for watching this video.